Everyone, good morning to all. Good morning everyone. Ito ipapakita ko sa inyo yung orchids na every year hindi siya nawawalan ng bulaklak. As you can see, there are lots of new flowers. Ayan, lahat may mga bagong bulaklak. So, hindi tumitigil sa pagmumulaklak itong orchids na to. Bakit? Dahil itong kinalalagyan ay very hell o very bright. Sa hapon lang dito may sunshine at saka hindi dinidiligan ng madalas. Only every 2 weeks at konti-konti lang. Kaya hindi sila nawawalan ng flowers. Lahat yan. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. So, in order for your orchids to rebloom, so you must not water very wet, only once in 2 weeks, and there must be always sunshine like this. So this is how to make your orchids rebloom. And the pots, there must be distance from each other. Hindi yung dikit-dikit para makahinga sila. Ayan, katulad nito. May social distancing. Very, very nice talaga. Continuously blooming these orchids. Ito, katatapos lang yan. Then come new. Tapos ito new. Ito naman. And this one. And lahat sila. It is not only one stem or one flower, but there are a lot. Kasi inaalagaan ng mabuti. Ito plastic yan, kaya hindi na mawala ng bulaklak. Pero yung iba, ang ganda.